Then net loss transfer. Profit and loss account format is there. They can earn profit and they can suffer the losses. It is a simple sole trader proprietaries format that you have studied in the 11th standard. Sole trader proprietary ship organization prepare their books of records. On that they prepare the profit and loss account. Similar type of profit and loss account is there. Same profit and loss account we will prepare while preparing our problem, while solving our problems. These things you have to keep in mind. It is in n form that you have to keep in mind. It is in n form. Then friends, after prepare the profit and loss account, we will prepare balance sheet. It is also n form. It is also n form. Now I again repeat, whatever you have studied in the 11th standard, similar type of items we will record it. 80% items related to the sole trading proprietorship Papan account. So there is no any difficulty to understand this balance sheet. Liability side is there, asset side is there. Sometimes previous year figures, if it is there, we will record it here, and current year figures we have to record this side. See, similar way in asset side also, previous year figure and current year figure. Now that you have to keep in mind, we will not ask previous year figures, but if you see the any cooperative societies balance sheet, they have these two columns: previous year figures and current year figures. Now, if you see that there is no note to account, there is no schedule. Only thing is there whether this particular item belong to liability, so you have to put in liability side. The any particular item belong to asset, you have to put in asset side. That's it. You should know about the items which are, you should clear about the items where it is uh, there. If it is a assets item, if it is a liability item, if it is a profit and loss item, that you should know about. Now liability side, share capital, authorized capital, issued capital, and paid up capital we have to put. Purchased by government, sometimes shares purchased by government, sometimes it is purchased by corporate society, or sometimes it is purchased by individual. So we have to put there. Share in advance, and calls in errors we have to deduct. We have to deduct the calls in errors. Then we have to add it call in advance. Sometimes subscription deposit towards shares also we have to record it. So we should know about the items where we have to record under the head share capital. Next is reserve fund and other reserve. It includes the all kinds of funds and reserves. For example, reserve fund, bidding fund, development fund. There are various kinds of funds are there. Reserve called output dates, depreciation fund, dividend fund, bonus equalization fund, other equalization fund, then staff provident fund. Then debenture is a liability, cash credit. It is a one type of liability because paid cash on credit basis. Then bank overdraft, loans, government loans, other secured loans. These are all liabilities. Are secured liability sometimes, unsecured liability, loan from bank, loan from government, bills payable, and other liabilities. Some deposits, fixed deposit, saving deposit, recurring deposit. Now what happens? Suppose if you have the cooperative bank, they have their customers and they keep in your bank, saving bank, fixed deposit, recurring account. Customer has their FD account, saving account, fixed deposit account, and they are keep certain amount in their account. So it is a liability of the cooperative bank, and we have to show balance sheet liabilities. Then other deposits, then current liabilities and provisions, sundry liabilities, outstanding salaries, advances, unclaimed dividend, interest due but not paid, other liabilities are recorded. Then appropriation that we will discuss afterwards. Then after that, asset side, there are various kinds of items are recorded. For example, it start from cash and bank balance. It start from cash and bank balance. Cash on hand, cash at the bank, and also deposits, some investments, government securities, share in cooperative institutions, fixed deposit with bank, product fund investments, including the advances to the product fund, loans and advances, loan, cash credit, due from managing committee, then due from employee. Some daters are there, sundry daters for trade sales, for advances. Some current assets are there, tools and equipments, closing stock, work in progress. Then after that, in bottom line, we have to write the fixed assets, land and building, plant and machinery, livestock, dead stock, vehicles. These are the assets we have to put. Then other expenses and losses not written off. For example, preliminary expenses, advances, payment of taxes, goodwill, deferred revenue expenses, expenses in connection with the issue of debentures. These are the all comes under other expenses. Then debtors, other debtors, advance paid, interest accrued but not received, other dues and losses. These are the items we have to put. These are asset side balance sheet is there. Now, friends, after this, we have to study the rules. Rules are very important. Section 66. Section 66 required the society to maintain reserve fund and reserve fund by transferring annually 25% of the net profit. Reserve fund, where we have to put, where we recorded reserve fund, balance sheet liability side. How much value we have to record reserve fund? It is 25% of the net profit. Clear? So this rule is very important, and it is this rule only for cooperative society. Rule number 52, empower the society to credit the bonus and dividend equalization fund amount not exceed 2% of the paid up capital may be transferred each year. However, accumulated balance should not exceed 9% of the paid up capital. So they want to create bonus or dividend equalization reserve, and it should not be exceed paid up 2% of the paid up capital, and their accumulated balance also not exceed 9% of the paid up capital. Any society should not pay dividend exceeding 15% of the capital. These things you have to keep in mind. Then section 69 provides the society may set aside amount not exceed 20% of net profit for charitable purpose, not more than 20% for charitable purpose. Investment funds, whenever we will talk about the investment fund, section 70 provides the cooperative society shall invested in a specific form only. Where they invested, there is a rule is there. You can invest only central bank and state cooperative bank, trust securities, any security issued by the other societies having limited capital, limited liability, and cooperative bank, and specified by order of government. So these are the rules are very important that you have to keep in mind. So this a balance sheet is very important. So what you have to do, you have to prepare this particular balance sheet in your notebook. Before that, you have to prepare profit and loss account format, and it is in N form. Only this profit and loss and balance sheet we have to prepare, and we have to study the various kinds of problems. Problems are not difficult. It is very easy to understand. Now, next things we have to discuss about the types of cooperative society that we will discuss next lecture. there are number of types of cooperative societies are there. Then after that, we have to study about the how we will calculate the net profit. Then what will be the rules regarding the societies, regarding the we can say working capital rules that we have to study. Then after that, we will start our practical part. That is a problem, how we will solve the different kinds of problem. Okay, fine. So what you have to do right now, prepare the format of the balance sheet and profit and loss. Okay, fine. You can go through. I will keep this particular lecture on YouTube and see the. I will not give the PDF form. You can see the lecture, and that basis you have to write the these formats. Now friends, one more thing I want to share with you. Can you see this paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this particular paper, it is belonging to May 2017. The idle paper is there, but we have to study the university's problem. I will give the one problem to you for homework. You have to solve. You have to use your own brain. Problem page number 3, problem number 3rd. Shani Limited has a head office at Mumbai and branch at Boston, USA. Branch provides the following trial balances as on 31st March 2017. Debit balances, good receipt from head office 11 11,600, purchases 3,87,516, opening stock 14,316, plant and machinery 34,122, furniture 16,316, cash and bank balances 5130, salary 68,016, office rent 42,340, taxes and insurance 11,672, debtors 1,24,430, printing and stationery 12,148, postage 11,010, legal expenses 11,486. Then credit side, office head office 12,707. Then sales 6,10,416. Creditors 1,27,977. Total of the both the side 7,51,100. The branch account in head office show a debit balance of 5,84,222, and goods sent to branch account show a credit balance of 5,56,800. Plant and machinery was acquired by the branch as on 31st December 2016 when $1 US dollar was equal to rupees 45. Boston branch acquired the furniture on 30th June 2016 was 100 was equal to US 2.50 US dollar. Head office to provide the depreciation on plant and machinery at the rate 25% per annum on furniture and at the rate 10% per annum on furniture, 10% per annum. The Boston branch reported the closing stock of 15,350 US dollar on 31st March 2017. So these are particular problem that you are going to learn, and for that purpose you have to study items where we have to put, where we have to keep these particular items. You should know about, you should aware about these particular items, and for that purpose you have to think about how to solve this particular sum. Clear? Can you solve this sum? Yes or no? Can you solve this sum or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to try this particular sum. It is very simple to solve. It is simple to understand also. We can easily do because practice is very important. I don't think you will create any doubt. If you have any doubt, You can ask in chat box also. We will study if it is any kind of doubt is there. Okay. Is any difficulty? Do you have any difficulty? Yes, any difficulty is there regarding solving the problem?
सर प्रॉब्लेमचे रेट्स नाही दिले तुम्ही.
कुठले rates? अच्छा अच्छा.
ॲव्हरेज रेट, क्लोजिंग
Okay, okay.
ओपनिंग.
Rates are there. Gradually come. The exchange rates were as under: opening rate $1, rupees 43.50, closing rate rupees 95 is equal to $2, average rate $1 is equal to 45.50. You are asked to prepare convertible trading balance, trial balance, trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Okay, so you can easily do this particular sum. I don't think you have a doubt. Yes, कोणाला doubt आहे, you can ask right now. Yes, any kind of doubt you can ask. Okay, though I don't think you have any doubt. Right now you have to do the your study, and any tomorrow I'm going to college for mm, doing certain work related to the admission. Those students, they have a problem about the admission procedure, about the fees, how we will pay, and this kinds of any kind of problem is there, they are suffering. So such student can come in our college and directly meet to the principal. Principal is also there, head clerk is also there, I am also there. You can come 12 o'clock. ज्याला ॲडमिशन बद्दल काही डाऊट असेल किंवा ॲडमिशन घ्यायचं असेल किंवा ॲडमिशन कंप्लीट झालं नसेल, दे हॅव अ डाऊट अबाउट द फीज, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ डाऊट्स, यू कॅन कम टुमारो 12 o'clock and our college is there. It is open on around 11 o'clock and they will close up to 2 o'clock. 11 ते 2 पर्यंत आपलं कॉलेज चालू आहे. त्यावेळात तुम्ही येऊन प्रॉब्लेम काय असेल तर आपल्याशी शेअर करू शकतात. इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट, कारण फोनवरती बोलता येत नाही, फोनवरती सांगता येत नाही आणि त्याचं डिस्कशन होत नाही. तर काही लोक फोन करतात मला, काय करायचं, तर वी विल क्लिअर ऑल डाउट्स, and for that purpose you have to inform the all the students, those who are interested to join our college, those who are in ज्यांनी जॉईन केलंय पण त्यांची प्रोसिजर अर्धवट आहे, त्यांनी उद्या कॉलेजला या. 12 वाजता मी असेल, इव्हन प्रिन्सिपल असतील, क्लर्क असतील, आपण सगळं क्लिअर तिथे तुमचे डाऊट्स करू. जर डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही कॉलेजला येऊन भेटू शकता. कॉलेजचं ऑफिस चालू असतं दररोज, एव्हरीडे वी आर देअर. बट यू हॅव, जर तुम्ही येत असाल तर उद्या मी आहे, मला तुम्ही भेटू शकता, प्रिन्सिपलला तुम्ही भेटू शकता. तर तुम्ही उद्या आलं तर चालेल. कोणाला डाऊट आहे? येस, एनी डाऊट? येस, डू यू हॅव एनी डाऊट? कोणाला डाऊट असेल तर सांगा, नसेल तर आपण इथे स्टॉप करू. We will start the cooperative societies problem next lecture. If you have any doubt, you can ask, and you have to come regularly. आपले theoretical part संपलेला आहे. We have discussed so many things. Now I want to discuss next final account. आपल्या प्रत्येक लेक्चर म्हणजे प्रत्येक चॅप्टर मीन्स द फायनल अकाउंट. All chapters belong to final account. There is no any kind of chapters. The final account is not there. All chapters are final account. That's why what we have to do, we have to be there as a final account. You have to come regularly. जर आलात तर समजेल. तर you have to keep in touch with our lectures, and Prashant is also doing the same things. He's delivering the lectures. What about the Gavde sir? सरांनी स्टार्ट केलंय का? तुम्ही तुमचं प्रोजेक्ट बनवायचं स्टार्ट झालात का? येस ऑर नो?
सर झालंय स्टार्ट.
स्टार्ट झालंय. किती जण येतात तुम्ही?
हा.
तुम्ही किती भावंड
हा.
आहेत? तुम्ही किती भावंड आहेत आता टोटल तुमच्या वर्गात?
काय माहिती नाही सर, कारण लेक्चरला काल हार्डली 4 ते 5 जणच होतो आम्ही.
खूप तुमची बॅच मधले खूप जण कमी येतात का? काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? बिकॉज इट इज व्हेरी
काय
डिफिकल्ट.
माहिती.
का येत नाहीत? व्हाय यू आर नॉट कमिंग? ठीक है, we will discuss same things on next lectures. Tomorrow also we have a lecture of direct tax that you have to come, and keep coming regularly, and keep in touch about study. जे मी देतोय त्याच्यावरती स्टडी करत राहा. तुमची एक्झामची डेट्स लवकरच ते अनाउन्स करतील. एक्झाम डेट्स university will announce soon. Therefore you have to concentrate on study regularly. Okay, fine. Okay, good night.